One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it.
Let's move on and talk a little bit more about the way they're kind of screwing drivers, because time is money, but not for all Uber and Lyft. And Matt, I know you're watching, so using these screenshots again.
Matt's active on Twitter. He's a good friend of the channel. He does some content for us. Amazing driver in Boston. He's quite active on Twitter himself, and I think this is very worthy. And Matt puts it in such a clear way that, answers all the questions basically. So here's another way to steal money from drivers. Drive to pickup. Wait 2-3 minutes. That's a new one, Chris. They're just that first 2 minutes is on the house now. We talked about that a couple of weeks ago. There's a black circle around the timer and there's a green circle around the timer. So just like when we go to pick up, 7 minutes, right? So this is on the regular pickup, but on stops now, Uber is not paying for the first 2 minutes either, while on P3, which I think is pretty illegal. I really do. So, I mean, you have a passenger in the car. We're at a stop. Why am I not getting paid for the first 2 minutes at that stop? I have no idea. But anyway, so drive to pick up, wait 2-3 minutes. Cost Uber and Lyft, 0. Cost the rider, 0. Well, on that one, it may cost actually the rider. We don't know because Uber probably is charging them. But cost the driver, 2 minutes. All right, so our cost is 2 minutes. 2 minutes of our life. Keep waiting. No sign of rider. Cancel after 4 more minutes. Driver gets paid 0. 6 minutes of my life. Time is money, I guess, does not apply to rideshare drivers, which we know it doesn't. 4 minutes stolen. Get paid only if you wait 7 minutes. Ludicrous ridiculousness. And this is the thing, Matt's communicating with the rider, and he has a great point here. So he put up the reasons for cancellation, right? None of them include what's beneficial to the driver. And the only one, it says, so these are the cancellation reasons. He's about to cancel. Can't find a rider, and he circled that because when you click that, you ain't getting a cancellation fee. Nowhere to stop. Rider items don't fit. Too many riders. Unaccompanied minor. No car seat. Rider has an animal. Rider behavior. Blah, blah, blah. And then on the next one, it's excellent. He just does these tweets and he probably runs it through Canva. So I'm just going to read what he put up on this tweet. It says, waiting time is only paid if you keep waiting, show up, wait to unpaid minutes, and 3 paid minutes. You don't get 1 cent. Uber steals driver's time. So our time is worthless to rideshare companies. And the excuse is can't find a rider. Okay. Notice the verbiage, can't find rider. It signals that the driver is at fault and can't find them. Like it's our job to hunt down the rider. This used to say rider did not show up. Exactly. And they've taken that off the cancellation excuse reason, right? And last but not least, he did his 6-minute duty. He canceled $0 for 6 minutes of his time. I mean, shit, man. Yeah, our time is, something that we can never get back. Time is more valuable than anything in life. False. Driver drove 6 minutes to pick up and then waited 4 more minutes. Duration of trip, 10 minutes. Pay, 0. What do you say to this, Chris? 10 minutes for nothing? Is that cool? Is that does that work for you?
Gotta love it.
Yeah.
That's the Uber way, boy.
Yeah, boy.
That way they can make $5 and they don't have to pay it out.
Yeah. And then when you do cancel, Uber even takes, what did they take? 75% of that? Uh, I mean, look, man, you guys, my rule of thumb for cancellation is I will wait the first 2 minutes. I will definitely not wait 7 minutes for anyone, unless it's some ridiculous surge trip that I know it's very profitable. Then I'll just wait. Put it in park, chill out, watch some YouTube, whatever it is. But on a base fare, no surge trip, tailpipes after 2 minutes, bro. I ain't spending my precious 6 minutes left on this planet on your ass to come down and get in my car.
That's true. I don't blame you there. There's always exceptions to the rule, like you said, if it's a juicy trip or something like that. But yeah, time is money, and unfortunately, you don't get time back.
Absolutely.
All
Time
right.
is something we cannot get back. Yep.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.